Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I've got for you a rather large Home Bargains haul. I went in for a couple of essentials, £62.53 later, but I did get quite a lot of stuff for that. In fact, I got 3 big bags full. I cannot believe how many things I got for that money. Such good value. So if you're new here, a very warm welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting me, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy this video, because that helps with the algorithms of YouTube. Right, where do we start? So I've got I've got a mixture. Let's have a look here. I've got some gifts, I've got some food, I've got some toiletries, I've got house cleaning stuff, I've got some bits for me. Well, let's just get into it and stop rambling. So if you're a regular, you know that I send home a rescue parcel to my family back in Leicester. I'm in Chelmsford in Essex. So I've got quite a few bits for them in this. So first of all, I shall start with this. It's a Rocky Road candy kit. And it's sort of a make your own, what would you call them? They're not sweets. Bars. Let's go for bars. No cooking required, no baking required. So I've got this for my mum and my little nephew who's 20 months. They're getting into doing a little bit of cooking and baking together. So I thought this would be a really nice little idea for them. That was £1.69. And then also for my nephew, I picked up a couple of different books. These are really good, lovely value, 59p each. They've got 4, just big, bright, sort of colourful books that his daddy can read to him, or my grandma or or his grandma or granddad. So I've got a couple of those. I got these for when he's a bit older. I'm going to keep these at my house. I thought these were absolutely excellent value. 89p, and they are phonetic and a spelling book. I'll just open one of them for you so you can have a quick look. So they're like little individual words and pictures in lovely bright colours. Really like that. And then the other one is just spelling, basic spellings. So you move the letters around until you spell the right word. But for 89p, I thought they were cracking. So I haven't got a clue what age you start sort of teaching children things like that. If you can let me know down below, because I've not had children, I haven't got a clue. Should have been £5.99. Not sure if I paid £5. No, I probably would actually, because it's an educational book. But yeah, if any idea when he might be interested in stuff like this? He can't really speak yet, so obviously not yet. And then finally for Dre as well, I thought this was lovely. Fingerprints. He's just getting into a bit of drawing, well, scribbling. And this, it was £1.99, and it comes with these paints that you wet and dip your finger in. And then inside you sort of have to replicate what it tells you to do. So here it's telling you to fill in the tractor wheel. Here it's, can you follow these steps to fill the stable with horses? Right. Anyway, £1.99 for that one. I'm going to go on for a few things for me. I have got a massive basket full. Let's get through them. I'm not going to do them in any order. I'm just going to mix them all up. Right, this stuff's absolutely amazing. The Harpic 10 times is toilet cleaner. It's 99p. Everywhere else, £1.99. Sometimes you get it on offer for 99p in other shops. But this, if you've got a bit of lime scale or yeah, it is lime scale. That's stuff in the bottom of the toilet. It's absolutely excellent. Doesn't smell very nice, but pop it in, leave it overnight, and it gets rid of a lot of it. It's great. Thought I'd try this. I've not had this one before. The pink stuff, I know everybody raves about it. I've had the Miracle Cleaner, which I didn't really like. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried that. I thought it sort of leaves a bit of a residue on stuff. Didn't like it at all. Didn't like the smell either. And then I've had... Actually, I have had this before. What am I talking about? That's why I've bought it, because I liked it. Oh, it's been a long day. So I have used this before, and it's very good. So it's 99p, and it's the bathroom foam cleanser. Miracle bathroom foam cleaner. Yeah, so that's a good one. Finally found some of these. These are getting so expensive. These are the Airwick it's like a device that you stick one of these cans in and it puffs every now and again. Oh, they're so expensive in some shops. The cheapest I found the other day just for one was $2.99. But in Home Bargains, they used to do 2 for £4, but they put the price up. 2 for £4.49. That's quite a hike. But I'd love this one. Really like it. It's like an appley smell. Yeah, love that for in the loo. Couple of hair bits. Thought I'd try these. I've had something from this range already. It's the Frizz No More. I've got like a serum, which is really nice actually for the prices. They're like sort of really budget hair things. So this is Frizz No More for curls, and it's Hold and Moisture Activator Cream. Defends against humidity. What does it say? Frizz No More is the ultimate solution for perfectly manageable, frizz-free, super smooth hair. Yeah, we'll see if that's any good. 99p. So this caught my eye for £1.99. It's the Umberto Gianni. Is that how you pronounce it? Wonderlift for thicker, fuller. It's a thicker, fuller plumping spray. The instant way to plump up your hair and give long-lasting hold, body and texture. Buildable, brushable and volumizing with a natural fullness and tussle texture. Wow, so I thought I'd use that when I use my Dyson Airwrap to curl my hair. I might put a bit of that on. I don't know whether you put it on before or after. Anyway, we'll see. It might be a bit of a root lift, that sort of thing. But yeah, looking forward to giving that one a go. I've had this before, really like it. When I see it, I tend to buy a few. It's the Dove Shower Mousse, £1.49. Yeah, really like this one with acai oil. Getting on to some dodgy words in this, aren't I? But yeah, in somewhere like Boots, full price, that's £2.99. So that's a really good price. So I bought 3 of those. And then talking about shower gels, I've decided... Well, not I've decided. I watch Nadine Baggett. Not sure if you follow her. She's quite a famous beauty sort of writer. She was talking about cleansing bars, saying how in the shower to use a cleansing bar is you can use it on your face if you pick like quite a mild one, as well as your whole body, and it's quite moisturising. So I thought I'm going to give that a go because I get through, you must see in these hauls, I get through so much shower gel and it's pretty pricey, isn't it? But whereas it's not soap, it's a cleansing bar, these are so much cheaper. I've already got one on the go. So the first one is the Dove Exfoliating Cleansing Bar. You get 2 in there for 99p and it's got sort of, well, it's like almost textured, but it's not too hard that I can use it on my face. I thought it would dry my skin out because I've got pretty dry skin on my face and my legs really. They don't get flaky or anything, but they just feel dry. And I thought this is going to just dry it out completely, but I have been absolutely surprised. And it makes me feel really clean. I think because you get a really good lather or lather. Yeah, I'm really enjoying using it, and I even shaved my legs with it today, which was absolutely fine. So that's the exfoliating one, and then this was the one I think she recommended. It's the micellar one for sensitive skin, so I've not used this yet. Again, 99p for 2. But yeah, I've even been using them on my face, and it's not dried my face out. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. I think this one will be even gentler. And Dove has sort of a nice... Oh, they smell lovely, don't they, Dove? And then it just feels just nice on your skin. So I may well be moving over to the cleansing bars instead of shower gel. On my last haul, I found the equivalent of this in just a green version, which was something tea. I can't quite remember. Green tea or something? Can't remember. Said I absolutely loved it. So it's by Nivea and it is a mousse but moisturiser. So this little pink one caught my eye, and I did say if I saw it again I would buy some more, definitely, because I really like it. It's £1.49. So this one is wild raspberry and white tea. I have used, oh, it's saying it's limited edition. Oh, it does a scratch and sniff. Anyway, I've already got one on the go. I bought 5 of these. I know that's a bit extreme, but I do like it so much, and I was a bit worried there wouldn't be it might not be in there again. This is for dry skin. I've used this on my legs after shaving, all over, well, not all over my body. I use it on all my legs, my bum cheeks and my arms. And I really, really like this. Definite recommendation if you've got sort of drier skin. In the winter, skin tends to dry out a little bit more, doesn't it? But I really like this. So yeah, if you see it, grab some and give it a go. Use these all the time. They do tend to snap a little bit. I don't use this big one so much, but these two smaller clips, I use, well, I've got two tiny little ones in here. And then I do the big version of that. So I have a big bun and then stick one of those at the back of it to sort of keep it in place. So I do get through these quite a lot. And they're only 99p this size. So one big one, two smaller. The little ones I think are 99p for 6. And I've not stuck that piece of hair in very well. Yep, so just got one packet of those. Sorry, completely mixing it up here today. Oh, I've got tuna with beauty products. You know I love these, always rave about these. Got another one of each. The hand pack, the foot pack, they are 89p in Home Bargains. They're the cheapest place I've found those. In Poundland they're £1, so yeah, a bit of a saving. And then I got this face mask. This is the anti-aging collagen woven face mask. I did buy one of these before to try and ended up giving it to one of my friends, I think. So I've not tried it yet. 89p. They do have some cheaper face masks and also some that are a bit more expensive. They've got the, is it the Garnier ones that everybody likes? They're £1.99, but I don't know, I'm a bit loath to pay more than 99p. But yeah, this one was 89. This caught my eye. Lloyd Grossman, I do like his food. I always find it really tasty. And although I'm not going vegetarian, Alan, my husband, he's plant-based and he tries to be as vegan as possible. So I've just naturally stopped eating as much meat. I do still like fish and I do still eat chicken and the occasional bit of meat. So I'm not claiming to be a vegetarian at all, but a lot of my meals now I'm going without meat. So I thought this looked really nice. It's a lentil and mushroom spinach bolognese sauce that you just add to a bit of pasta. Yeah, so this was 99p, no meat needed, sort of source of protein and fibre. So yeah, you just add your little bit of pasta and then you've got your own bolognese. So the whole lot that serves two is 206 calories, so 103 per portion. So with a bit of pasta and salad, that's a really good low calorie, very healthy meal. Of course, I got some skinny whips. Love these. I got 5 boxes. My favourite is the toffee and chocolate flavour. I pop these in the fridge and then they snap and they last so much longer. Absolutely love them. If you've never tried skinny whips, you don't know what you're missing. They've now got them in different flavours as well. There's mint, there's strawberry, plain chocolate, and there is another one and I can't think what it is. But yeah, 99 calories, 5, I think I might have already said that, 5 in the box, yummy. I really like these flips. I keep getting different flavours. Alan's a bit partial as well. I bought some the other day. What flavour did I get? It was white or milkshake. I can't remember. Anyway, I bought two different flavours. Gave Alan one to try. Went back to get some more about 2 days later because I only have a couple at a time. They'd all gone. He'd had the lot. Anyway, so I've got in this flavour. He likes peanut butter. I'm not a fan of peanut butter. I know a lot of people might disagree with that. But in Home Bargains, these were 99p. In the Co-op, they're 1.99, so that's quite a saving. But yeah, really like these. They're sort of sweet and savoury at the same time. Really nice. Yummy again. 2 boxes of these for Alan, 99p. These are very similar to the Naked bars, and you get 4 in here. So these are Nutty Nature, Salted Caramel. So they're like compressed fruit, and if you get nuts as well, really good for you. Per bar, it's 118 calories, but they're quite filling, and it's a good way of getting a bit of fruit into you. Rather partial to this on a jacket potato. Sorry, this is completely mixed up, isn't it? But, you know, you're going to see it all anyway, so it doesn't really matter, does it? I hope. Yeah, John West jacket toppers, 89p these are. This one is the lime and cracked black pepper. No, it's not cracked black pepper. Where do I get that from? I always call it that. It's just black pepper. But on a jacket potato, again, a really healthy, low-calorie meal. I even have one jacket potato with some of this and salad for dinner or for lunch. But yeah, very tasty they are. Doesn't look that great when you open it and put it on. Alan calls it kitty cat. Always puts me off. But it tastes very nice. I got a couple of Angel Delights, one to send home for my little nephew and one for Alan. I got butterscotch and then this one's banana. They were only 59p each. These really remind me of my childhood. Mum used to make them. We used to have them on a Saturday, a big bowl full of the strawberry one. Absolutely love it. I got Dre some of these to send back home. Juicy raisins. You get 12 little boxes in here for 99p. So they're, again, a great way of getting a bit of fruit into you. No added sugar. Part of your 5 a day. So these are really nice. Just a little snack for children or adults, really. Mum's a bit partial to the old snowballs. So these are lovely because they're not too big. How many calories? 50 calories per little snowball. So what a lovely sweet treat they are. 99p. So you get 12 normally, but put 2 extras in, so 14. What's that diving around? You see that on my head? Yeah, so another little, there's another one. What is it? I think it might be because I've been doing some cleaning. It might be bits of fluff flying around. It's put me off completely. Yeah, great little snack. Lovely sweet treat. I got these to send home for Mum and Dre. Edible eyeballs. There's a lot in this range. Jane Asher, she's a famous baker, isn't she? So, yeah, I just thought these would be fun to put on any cupcakes or something. They're like little eyes. For 89p each, I got these for my dad and brother. The Milka bars, they absolutely love them. But these are different flavoured ones. So this is a caramel one. And Happy Cow, which is a mixture of plain and white. No, it's not plain, it's milk and white. It's not plain chocolate at all, is it, Belinda? I'm thinking I might keep that one myself because I like the look of that one. And then finally, just a couple more things to send home to Mum and Dad. Bottle of this, the original sauce. Foaming shower gel in orange. I really like that one. If you like the foam burst sort of thing, this is very similar, but they're very, very fruity, very citrusy, smell really fresh, lovely for the summer. So they do orange, I think they do a lemon and lime, and I'm not sure if they do a dark orange as well, but yeah, like that, really nice and refreshing. So for 89p, I got these washable markers. As I mentioned earlier, Dre's getting into felt tipping, and washable are good, aren't they, in case he starts scribbling everywhere. I might send these back for him now, or I might keep these myself, I'm not sure. Mum, if you're watching this video, just skip past this bit, please. They've got some Mother's Day gifts in now. They do tend to wheel the same things out each year, because I did buy, I bought her a little mug last year, and the same things in there this year. But anyway, this time I've got this. It's a glasses case, and it's quite a deep one. It's only £1.79, and it says, "Mum, you're spectacular." So it's pink with some little flowers on it. Yeah, I really like that. I thought that was a lovely, really nice Mother's Day gift for a really good price. So that's the end of that haul. Hope you enjoyed that one, and maybe you might try a few of my recommendations. If you do, pop me a comment down below and let me know how you get on with it. I love to hear from you, and I'll always write back to you, because for me, if you take the time to write, I like to do the same back. So if you're not already subscribed, maybe you might consider hitting the subscription button. It's actually free. You don't have to pay for that. So that's it, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.